Love should be easy. Why should it not?
Hello, George. I have a question about the usage of toka. I know it means etc., and I have heard that when you use the word, it comes after. Hang on. And I have heard that when you use the word, it comes after the. Okay, I don't know what you just said. I don't know what. I couldn't read it. First time I read it. First time I did this, ask the teacher, I think I read it perfect. But your question was, are there other uses of toka besides etc.? And when he says etc., what he means is, for example, people will say, Ashita dosuru? What do you want to do tomorrow? Dobutsu niku toka? Do things like go to the zoo. And it is sort of like an etc., to go to the zoo, etc., but it's not. It's not. The actual way to say etc. in Japanese is nado. Okay? But I understand it does sound totally like an etc. there. But let me tell you what they're actually doing. Okay? Toka is actually used as a way to give a representative list of something. For example, look at this. Let's say in the zoo, we're talking about in the zoo, saru toka, zou toka ga imasu. There are things like monkeys and elephants. You're not going to list the entire list. It's not an exhaustive list. It's a representative list. There are things like monkeys and things like elephants. That's what toka does. The same thing when you're talking about verbs. You could say, terebi o miru toka, like watch TV. It's like saying like watch TV. Nihongo o benkyou shitari toka. Oh, I said study. Sorry, study is another way to do that, but we're not talking about that. Benkyou suru toka. Like I could do something like study Japanese. But that's what that does. And I can see where you think that means etc., but I don't know if I really want to classify it as that. It's really just a part of the possibilities of the things you can do, or a part of the possible items that you're talking about. And that is it.